Hello everyone, this is Lovely Sarkar, founder of Savera and a certified protector and promoter of human rights under the National Human Rights Commission of India. First of all, I would like to thank my professor Ramakrishna sir and my college Acharya Institutes for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak in front of you all. I started off my career as a budding social worker when I was very young. I was in class 10 and I always wanted to be an IAS officer, but things changed when I met this person called Meera. Meera, she always wanted to join the sports and she was very good in accounts. But you might think, like, how did this change my life and how was this so difficult? She was a transgender. And you know, transgenders, they hardly get opportunity to even eat at a good restaurant. You know how people treats them. And she was surviving on road begging just like any other transgenders we see on roads. I was very disgusted when I saw the situation, and her family background was so good. So that is when I started forming my NGO Savera, and today I'm a part of many other NGOs who are working for this community. When I started off with this career, I have faced a lot of troubles like many other social workers, with funds, with running around. Everyone used to tell me, how will you do everything out of this? Because there was no background of me in this for this profession at that moment. Because today there are so many courses, there are so many supporters for this profession, but back then there was nothing of that sort. So I was always looking for an idea to implement my philanthropic work as soon as possible. I was in Acharya on those days when there is a friend of mine who wanted to quit smoking, but he was not getting any way out. So that is when I started proposing an idea that I will collect 20 rupees every day from that friend of mine. So without any question, he used to give me 20 rupees every day for 3 months. So if you calculate, like I used to get 10 rupees, 20 rupees, whatever I could get, but I used to do this daily. So after 3 months, I took him along with me to a school where he met a small child, a girl, and he was so surprised to know that all these 3 months, whatever money he was giving me all this day, has collectively sponsored that child's education. So this idea motivated him a lot, to know that what that money that he was giving to me has sponsored education. And also he could realize that his smoking was reduced, and just like he got an inspiration that he will further do this idea and he will start working on this idea, and he has shared this thing with a lot many people. I shared, and this is how our network has grown and collectively implemented to a wider initiative today. So I would like to say that you as college students can do this in your college too. Like in Acharya, you can have a drive, you can have a donation drive for this. Like collecting 10 rupees, 20 rupees every day it's nothing. Like no, people will not even get that as a burden, right? So I would like everyone to take this idea with you and share this drive in your college also. And there are so many stories I want to share with you, but time is a limitation here. So I want to say to everyone that to start off with social working or anything, the first thing is determination. Whatever situation you have right now or background you have right now, middle class, upper class, this is nothing. You just need a determination, and you just have to be very adamant to work upon your goals, right? So with this note, I want to thank my professor, our principal. I want to thank our principal sir, Sir Gurunath Vaidya Rao. He has truly helped me in my college days. I had so many struggles, but he was just like a god to me, like back then, and whatever I am today, it is also because of him. So I love my college, and I have full respect for everyone there. Thank you.